are beautiful, and welcome to makeup, and welcome to one of the most cursed things I've ever made in my life. This is just gonna be awful. If you have never heard of it, Beanie Sandfurbs is made... Okay, so if your eyes have never been blessed with the monstrosity that is Beanie Sandfurbs, here she is. Here's Beanie. Here's good old Beanie Boo. A while ago, I think in like 2020, Beanie Sandfurbs made their first debut onto the internet, and boy, oh boy, did I just straight up hate Beanie. I'm sorry. Beanie was the thing of nightmares. Beanie still is the thing of nightmares, but because of Project for Awesome and Hank, so if you have any anger towards this video, blame Hank. Beanie has become a viral sensation again. Your girl being your girl decided, hey, you know what I should turn into a makeup look? That. Let these bad boys get a bit tacky so I can just like smash some baby bum powder into my face. Okay, I think she's still real sticky. Maybe I should just grab my fan. Man, you are dusty. I think I might give you a cute little wipe down after this video. You got them apple bottom jeans, boots with the fur, Also, if this is the first video you are seeing of mine, I'm so sorry. My basic plan for this, I have a lot of beans, I have a headpiece, I have a lot of things to like stick onto my face. But I gotta make the eye thing first before I start sticking things to my face. Otherwise, there is gonna be no room. Everything's going fantastic. Okay, you're cute. This is starting to look horrifying. Why are my brows being such a pest? That's frustrating. Maybe this is why I hated that white stuff. It's melted some of the glue. Why is there no pigment in this palette? This is coming off in chunks. Babes, no. I would rather have pants with fake pockets on it. What is happening? I'm gonna be honest. This white stuff, Satan. Everything was going great. My brows looked good yesterday because it's been a whole 24 hours since I tried this. Either way, the white stuff ruined everything. So, we're gonna go a little bit simpler and we're gonna try this again. Take 2 for the win. So instead, I'm gonna go for All Reliable. I'm gonna go with the body paint. Granted, I shouldn't really call it All Reliable because I'm pretty sure this body paint likes to crack a lot. So let's hope that this actually works out, because if it doesn't, I will shed tears. This is one of those things where like, once again, my mind is like, wouldn't that be fun as a makeup look? And then all of a sudden it is a makeup look and I'm like, ha ha ha, I regret some of my life choices. I'm not sure if this is one of the ones. Already off to a questionable start. I'm just gonna put some concealer on my eyebrows. Part of me is just like, do I need eyebrows? But then the smart part of me is just like, JJ, you do not have the mental capacity or the patience to be putting on new eyebrows every single time you want to. You also don't have the hand-eye coordination. You already have a hard enough time when it comes to eye feathers, eyeliner, and cut creases with left eye. Imagine trying to do an eyebrow as well. Granted, they're supposed to be sisters, not twins, but also my eyebrows end up looking like distant relatives. And your other eyebrow is like your third cousin's roommate's former dog. Okay, I think she's actually coming together, and this face paint isn't really cracking at the moment, which is amazing. Very surprised, but happily surprised. The same way that my mother describes me. Gonna get like a shimmy yellow shade just to like really set this, because I want this look to be a glamorous kind of beanie. So I'm just gonna get this big like flat brush. I'm just gonna really pack it into some like shimmer shadows. Like that is getting marinated in the glitter yellow shadows, and then I'm just gonna start packing that bad boy. Maybe this bad boy. I'm gonna dip her into like a teeny bit of brown. I'm just gonna try and like outline the eyes a bit more and give some definition so that when I put the baked beans on the whole of my face, it's not gonna be like lost. And we don't want to lose the beautiful eyes that we are putting so much effort into. Beans, the magical fruit. The more you eat, the more you... So I'm just gonna get my guillotine and we're just gonna whoop. Ooh, that was a bit close to the skin. I felt that kind of scrape past my mascara, because I bought new mascara for once. Look at me go. Because I was like, she's starting to get a bit crunchy, a bit crusty, and the last thing I want is an eye infection. I've never had one in my life, but my sister has had one or two, and they looked away. You're just going to go in with the eye feathers. I think I am going to go with these ones. I want something that's big and fluffy and duffy. I want ones that will be able to make me fly away from the chaos of the world. Why do that kind of sound like Yzma? I'm going to turn him into a flea, and then put that flea in a box, and then send that box off, and then deliver the box, and then smash it with a hammer! Actually, was that kind of good? I'm gonna get really, really patient, because usually I just pop that sucker on, and I'm just like, oh, whatever, I'm sure it'll stick eventually. I don't want to risk it today. It's not worth the biscuit. Ooh, oh no. Oh no. Go back from whence you came, wench. Oh my god. Okay, amazing. Okay, she's on. Yes! Excellent. Because I don't want to be liquid latexing the baked beans too close to my eyes, I'm just going to do like a big white line, some yellow, and just all that kind of stuff, right? Yeah, cool, let's go. I'm just going to start drawing out big white line. Remember, you're sisters. You are both at least semi-related. Please, left eye, be a good baby cakes today. No pesk. Okay, that's not looking too bad. Alright, looking crazy. Yes! I know that Beanie doesn't actually have like an under eye section, but this is really for safety. I'm trying to take at least some precaution today. I know, that's very different for me. I'm just gonna outline this and then put some orange eyeshadow underneath. That way, like, it's gonna look crisp, and also when the beans go over the top, there's gonna be something to kind of blend in a bit, because I'm afraid that this is gonna look a little bit chunky in ways where I don't want it to look chunky. I also think that with this, I'm gonna be filming me taking off the makeup, because I'm expecting pain, and for some reason, there is a niche on TikTok, and just like, people get some weird pleasure from whenever I put like a really intense liquid latex kind of look on my face and then peel it all off afterwards. So I'm gonna put the like TikTok or the clips of me tearing it off at the end of the video. So enjoy that one. Now time for the lips. So once again, I'm just gonna go in with the body paint because this seems to be working so far. So why not? I don't think you're supposed to eat this though, so like that's, whoops. Share, 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 share. Also, if you like how this video actually turns out, because I have no idea at the moment, but if you actually like how this video turns out and you love a good cursed kind of makeup look, please let me know down in the comments what kind of cursed makeup look you want to see, because if this shows anything, it is that I am prepared to accept the challenge. Also, fun fact, I have a pet scorpion, and he has to eat live crickets. So at the moment, I have just like a cute little tank of essentially pet crickets waiting to be fed to my pet scorpion when he feels like it, and they are chirping something fierce recently, so every time I say a joke, there is literally crickets in the background. I'm really setting myself up for failure. So my hair's slicked back, this is all looking good, which means that we're finally onto the beans. I don't think you're all ready. 3, 2, 1. Ow! She's just, is that not disgusting? I am amazing. Woo. Woo. We're finally getting onto the baked beans. I'm so excited. All right, here's the spirit gum. 3, 2. Okay, we're just going for it. My hand didn't even wait for the countdown. It was just kind of like, and go. I think this is as stuck as it's gonna get. I look crazy. We're gonna do some of the like tissue trick or whatever, and then hope that that kind of works. You know what would be easier, JJ? If you had sponges. That would be a lot easier, but I realized today that I don't have sponges, so we're just gonna be using my finger. I don't think anyone's gonna be wanting to make this, but for anyone who is interested, the way that I made this was essentially a headband, cardboard, and then I hot glued like 800 little balls of hot glue. 800 little balls of hot glue, painted the hot glue, then I hot glued them to this like scaffold of the Beanie Sandfurbs like head thing, and then after that I got some clear glue that I dyed kind of orangish for the sauce, and I painted that on top. So that's how I did this monstrosity. I think I got a solid technique down. I'm pretty sure I'm shouting. I'm gonna try and speak at a lower decibel. I've got my liquid latex and I've got one of my pointy freaking nails, and I'm just like dipping, and then I'm just kind of like scraping, and then I'm sticking. The good old dip, scrape, stick. Everyone knows that technique, right? Definitely didn't think that when I started my YouTube journey, and then my TikTok blow up. I never thought in that I would be doing this. So the world's a weird and wonderful place, isn't it? I'm starting to get really close to my eye, and I feel the latex vapors. I never knew that my eyes could like sense spice. The liquid latex definitely smells like burning, so that's fun. Just has a certain like kind of smell to it. So I'm definitely not gonna put this too close to my mouth, because if it smells like burning and it feels like burning in my eyes, something tells me that it's probably gonna taste like burning as well. Oh my gosh, the last baked bean. I think I'm gonna do this one. This looks like a good baked bean. Oh, is that like the perfect size? Oh, look at me go. Okay, I'm now just gonna sit still for like 20 minutes to make sure that all the liquid latex is dry. Let me buy you a drink. I really hope this doesn't take off anything, but I have this stuff that one of my bestest baby cakes chopper gave me the recipe for. It is edible. So my theory is that if it's edible, I can paint my face with it, right? Okay, we're going for it. Oh my gosh, this is fantastic. There's my caffeine. Delicious. The even weirder part about all of this is I'm actually allergic to baked beans. So maybe the reason that I wanted to do this is because I missed having baked beans in my life and I just needed them there in some sort of capacity. Oh gosh, this is tickling me in areas I didn't know that I would tickle. I might have to throw out this shirt. Oh, I can taste it. Okay, I think that's it. Ah, okay. That's it. I'm gonna call my roommate Matt to come down this way. Hello, did you want to come see my face?
Sure.
Alright.
Give me a sec.
Okay, and now we wait.
Oh god, it's on your shirt.
It's dripping a lot.
You got sauce everywhere.
Don't make me break it.
Okay. Can I scoop?
Oh, it's everywhere. Oh
So
no.
I wasn't joking when I said it was everywhere.
This is why I stood on
What's on your eyelash?
I know. I know. It just, when Chopper said the sauce thing that I made isn't gonna set and I didn't listen to him, that was not a great choice. It's in my mouth and I can taste it.
To.
No, it's literally in my mouth. It's sugar, corn flour, and water.
Oh, that's okay.
It's got an interesting flavor.
Should have given it some flavoring just to... Oh god, off your nose.
I know.
That's horrifying.
I know. I regret everything. So on a scale of 1 to 10, actually no, on a scale of fake pockets to nachos.
I mean, you've nachosed it for sure.
I've nachosed it?
I mean, it looks like
The concept of the look itself though, like, should this have been done?
God no. It's on your pants.
I know. Oh no, it's literally going everywhere.
Do you want me to wrap a towel around your like shoulders?
Look, it's too late. This
God, that poor shirt.
Yeah, look. At least, this is why I wear the same black shirt in every video, because if she gets ruined, we can just chuck her in the wash and re-dye her if we need to.
I just watched it. Oh, it's so gross. It just going under your shirt.
This is really in my lashes, isn't it?
Yeah.
Cool. Well,
Do you want to take photos now?
We might have to.
Do you want to take them on the camera?
Sure, let's do that. Brief moment. This is starting to really come off my face. We're just gonna take some photos for Instagram now. Okay, this is really starting to drip, so I'm gonna have to make like the outro fast, but either way, this is it. This is Beanie Sandfurbs as a makeup look, and you may not have thought you ever needed to see this, but you know what? Here she is! In all of her glory. There's a good chunk of me, my light's gone, gosh diggity dang it, there's a good chunk of me that does regret doing this. I am not gonna lie, there's a good chunk of me that is just like, what's this really worth it. But also there's a good chunk of me that's like, heck yeah, it was. Just the definition of nightmare fuel. Like, this is the face that you're gonna see when you sleep at night and you've got like sleep paralysis. But now that the monstrosity is on my face, and because I'm a legitimate beauty goddess on YouTube, there's only one thing left to do, and that is a sexy, a slow moose. Boom. You can see the sauce going into my lashes. I think, thankfully, that is it for today's video. Tell me what you thought of this. Tell me if you never want to see this again. Tell me if there's any other cursed makeup looks that you want to see, because, as I said, I'm pretty much up for anything. Before I do say my final farewell, I just want every single one of you to know something super duper important, and that is that you are perfect in every single shape, way, and form, and you have influenced my life in the better in so many ways I cannot even begin to describe, because you guys gave me a self-worth that I never thought was possible. And I'm just so lucky to be able to experience all the goodness in the world that is you. But in saying that I am one of the lucky ones, I know that there are some unlucky ones out there. They do not know your beauty, your perfection, your magnificence, your intelligence, just everything good about you. They don't know it. And you know what? Their lives are deprived without it. So you need to go out into the world and show them your perfection. Show them your beauty, your passion, your magnificence, your intelligence, just all of the good things, your heart of gold. And while you're out there, don't forget what your mother always says. If you can't say something nice, say something cruel. I don't really have a system except for just rip it off. So, are we ready? A 3, oh, I hate this. A 2, a 1. Oh. 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 Oh, oh. Oh, I don't know what was worse, putting it on, having it complete, or taking it off. Ah. Oh, it's stuck to my hair. Well, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.